The fifth mistake marketers make when starting content marketing is focusing only on SEO and not on their target audience. This mistake is similar to the fourth mistake, which is producing your content marketing for Google or YouTube and not for your target audience. And obviously, when you are trying to build a following, you would want to generate the most amount of traffic for your content. So what's actually wrong with that? Well, the problems with that, and I see them very often, is because the search engine algorithm is built to find the best content for its users. So even though you might theoretically rank very well in the beginning with your content, but that only for a short period of time, because once your readers will arrive, the user experience and the quality of content will not be there and they will leave, which of course will send signals to Google that this content is not good and will be quickly replaced by other ones. So what should you do instead? Focusing on SEO is very important, of course, but remember, your users always come first, as search engines search for the best quality content for its users, like I said. Therefore, first, when you are producing content after the initial research, just focus on your buyer personas for who you are creating this and don't be bothered by SEO. Once you produce the awesome quality content, then you can do the search engine optimization. Remember, it's called optimization, that you optimize your content, not search engine creation, to create your content only around a search engine. And this is my 5 quick SEO tips for your content marketing. The first, instead of it, use a keyword. For example, it helps to attract more clients. So instead, content marketing helps attract more clients. But don't get too overboard. Second, add your image alt text with proper description and use the keyword within. Third, name your featured pictures the same way like your article and add your brand name. Fourth, add internal links throughout your new content. Tip, use Ctrl F and search for those keywords you already produce content. For example, I'm writing an article about content marketing strategies, and I know I already produce content about SEO strategies. So like this, I can quickly find if I have related phrases where I can put an internal link like this. Fifth and last one is focus on your meta description and headline. Of course, use your keyword within it and give it some spice so people want to click on it and read more. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more how to grow your digital marketing effectively. Like this video if you like it and leave a comment below what was your biggest mistake when you started content marketing. And also, don't forget to check out all my links in the description where I leave some cool tools for content marketing, SEO and digital marketing. Ciao!